Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with another Christmas related video. I believe all houses are decorated now and looking amazing, so it's time to focus more at Christmas present, specifically at wrapping them in some lovely papers. I will be showing few ideas how you can make your own Christmas wrapping paper this year. I'm not going to say that this idea is gonna be super easy and budget friendly. As we all know, wrapping paper is not that expensive and probably the easiest way would be just go to shop and get one. These ideas are for someone who pays most attention for details, someone who loves wrapping presents, so creating their own wrapping paper will make this process even more joyful, or for someone like me who just like creating new things which are unique and outstanding. So if you haven't packed your presents yet and you're looking for some inspiration, I hope you find something helpful in this video. But before I start, please consider subscribing to my channel. We are getting closer and closer to 1000 subscribers and I can't even explain how happy and thankful I am. So thank you so much for your support, and now let's just jump right in the first idea. For my wrapping papers, I will be using craft paper and this big roll of white paper. I will leave the link to them in the description box. I won't be actually wrapping my presents yet as they are not ready. I will use some empty boxes just for the presentation. I start with measuring how much of paper I need for this box. Make sure it will cover all the walls. And my first idea for wrapping paper is to use stamps. I'm going to use Christmas tree stamp with black ink. I simply press my stamp on the ink and then move it onto the paper. I don't have any rule how and where do I press them. I only try to keep same distance between each tree. Once the paper is fully covered with trees, I turn it over. Of course, the side with the trees will be outside the box. Then I just wrap my box. Honestly, I'm not an expert in wrapping. I don't know many techniques how you can do it. I usually wrap all presents the same way. I always make sure to crease the edges. The best way is to use double-sided tape, but I just didn't have any. Then I take some small bell and put it on my hemp yarn. I go with the yarn a few times around the box and then simply make knot at the back side of the box. To finish it off, I'm adding some fresh greenery. I think it looks very modern and minimalistic. You can always wrap the present first and then stamp it, but it will look more professional and tidier if you do it before. For my next idea, I wrapped some box in craft paper. Then I take my Christmas yarn and go with it around the box few times. First I do it horizontally and then vertically. I found this red bow in my box with Christmas decoration. I thought it will look very nice with this box. But if you don't have any ready bow, you can always make it yourself. I just simply tie it to my yarn in the middle part. I've got these ready very small pom-poms. I was using them in one of my previous projects. And because I've got some left, I decided to use them. With the hot glue, I'm gluing them to my box. And the same, I just randomly place them on the paper. I also do the sides. On the bottom of the box, I leave without pom-poms. It was quite time-consuming job, but I think the result is super cute. Probably it's a better idea for small presents, but I'm sure everyone will notice it under the Christmas tree and will be amazed. Then I wrap two boxes again, one in craft paper and one in white paper, just to see how the same decorations are going to look like on two different colors. Starting with the craft paper, I took some macrame cord and wrap it few times around the box. This time I'm doing it more off center. I've got these dry orange slices which I made in my previous video, so if you're interested how I made them, go and check the other video out. I'm going to use two of them, but first I have to make holes for the string. Then I put new piece of cord through them and tie them to the rest of the cords. To finish it off and bring more natural look, I put some fresh leaves. Then I use my Merry Christmas stamp with blank ink. For the white box, I'm using hemp rope, which I wrap around once horizontally and once vertically. Then I add one slice of orange and also I found this craft paper tags. I press my to and from stamp and putting it on the rope. Later on you can handwrite who is this present for and from who. And of course some greenery to finish it off. So simple and quick idea for wrapping paper, or look very natural and minimalistic. They can always use later these slices to hang them on the tree. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and these ideas. If you do, please click the like button, I will really appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section as well if you are going to try any of them. I'm actually quite happy how they turn out, and for sure I'm going to wrap my present this way this year. I think it's a brilliant idea for someone who just got this spare time to do it. And I'm sure the receiver will notice the extra effort you put into it and will really appreciate it. And for now, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.